Hey, this is Blake here at FTD Customs. Today I'm going to be going over our 0306 Kawasaki Ninja 636 12-inch swingarm extensions. First things first, all of our products do come with a lifetime warranty. If there's ever a problem with it, just let us know. We'll get it fixed for you. So for our two finish options, we've got our black powder coat and the raw aluminum here. This one actually features our logo engraving at no extra charge. Again, these are the 9 to 12-inch extensions here. For our 04 and older models, 03, 02, etc., you're going to take this little brake plate right here is what we call it. It's going to slide right in here and it's going to keep your caliper from rotating or moving back and forth, anything like that. And for our 05 and 06 models, it's going to take this little guy right here, which is what we call a brake dog. And again, this is adjustable. You can go here, you can go here, just depending on how far your stretch is. And this little piece is going to go right into your caliper, and that's going to keep your caliper on those models from moving back and forth, rotating, anything like that. So what we got here is just the accessories that you can opt for with our swingarm extensions. Right here is our standard chain. These are all 150 links, so you're going to have to cut links pretty much no matter what length you're stretching to, whether it's 12 inches or our shortest at 4.5. Our standard chains usually around 9,800 pounds tensile strength. We send them with boosters and everything all the time with no problems. Our EK chains are more of a race-oriented chain. If you're going to drag race all the time, it's what I recommend. I think it's about 11,300 pounds tensile strength versus the 9,800. Again, 150 links available in 520, 525, and 530. As far as our brake lines, if you're rocking an ABS bike, you only have two choices. You'll have the black and the stainless for ABS lines, and they will be 60 inches, so they'll be quite a bit longer, and that is because they're going to go from your rear caliper all the way up and bypass anything else up into your ABS module, whether that be under your seat or under your tank, depending on the model you have. As far as for non-ABS bikes, you got all your color choices here. We got everything except purple. That's pretty much all you need to know, and it'll just be two banjo fittings on either side. Any questions, please don't hesitate, reach out and let me know. And that should wrap up our 03 to 06 Kawasaki ZX-636 12-inch extensions.